The stimulus to good project management, open book accounting. So why is it important to establish good working practices for open book accounting under the target and cost reimbursable payment options? There are three main reasons. The first is that the onus is on the contractor to justify the defined costs that he is incurring as he is incurring them in order to be paid. It is therefore important for the contractor's cash flow that this is the case. Equally, the employer does not want to be paying out monies which the contractor has not incurred. A monthly auditing regime therefore needs to be set up to do this. While it is the employer's project manager who, under the contract, certifies what the contractor presents for payment, in reality this duty is likely to be delegated to, for example, a quantity surveyor. While they should be able to see all the contractor's accounts and records, the common error is that they insist on seeing everything every month. Supplier quotes, delivery notes, invoices, matched records of payments, etc., etc., etc. This is time-consuming and bureaucratic for all parties. Instead, a common sense level of audit should be agreed, which can include deep dives either at random or in selected areas, for instance where there is a variance in planned expenditure versus actual. The second reason for getting the open book regime right is so that both parties are on the same page in terms of actual expenditure versus planned expenditure, relative to progress, and this would include the expenditure, or hopefully not, of sums for identified risks. If both parties are on the same page in these respects, then the monitoring and forecasting of outturned cost, and hence the ability to affect it, will be dramatically improved. The third and last reason is that if the project manager or his delegate understands how the contractor is incurring cost, then not only will the evaluation of compensation events be quicker and easier, but also the project manager will be much wiser in terms of which compensation events he instructs and which he does not. All this implies that for the cost reimbursable and especially the target cost options, the employer should only select contractors who operate good, transparent, and up-to-date cost systems which link in with their program. It also implies for both parties that the people selected to administer the financials have to be of a higher professional caliber. Lastly, effort needs to be put in early on in a contract to get these methods of working up and running efficiently and effectively.